What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Mikey, and in today's video we are going to redo my slip bobber setup. I remember I did a video way back showing that setup, that rig that I use for small fish and, well, pretty much, you know, any size fish that you can catch. It's just a bit unclear of how I did way back, so I'm going to redo that, show you how I set this up. It's gonna be a short video about how everything works, how I put them all together, the things that you need to get that rig set up. So let's go. And if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. It would definitely help out my channel a lot. So let's go. Okay, I'm really sorry about, you know, where I'm filming this video. I can't find you know, a good place where I can do this, so I hope you forgive me in this one. Let's go back to the video. Okay, all right, so things that you need, and you know, the things that I usually need do and use to set up this rig is, first, of course, the bobber. Okay, and then you need beads, like plastic beads, of course your line. Okay, so right now in this video I'm just gonna use like 17-pound mono trilene. You will need split shots. Sorry, it's not like really visible, but yeah, this is using split shot in this one. There you go. You would be needing multiple split shots. Okay, and of course your scissors and your hook. So this is just like I don't know, this size 4, this one right here size 4, and then this one, I don't know, I think it's like size 5 or something, I'm not sure. So yeah, because I'll be showing you two ways on how I rig this up. So these are your regular jigs, okay, regular size jigs. So, and then one of the most important thing is your bobber stop. Okay, bobber stop, this is important. So first, you're gonna take your line, and earlier I was able to like put in a bobber stop on my line. Okay, later it's gonna make sense when I you know, make everything, or you know, assemble everything. So first is you put your bobber stop in the line. Okay, it will make sense later when I get to finish this one. So next is you get your bead. Okay, you can also get like bigger sized beads, cabela's or Lake of the Woods, or you know, fishing hole, I guess. So there, so bead and then bobber stop. Okay, and the next would be your slip bobber, right? So I guess you already know what the bead and the bobber stop is for. Okay, there. So basically the purpose of this one is for you to determine how deep you want your bait to be underwater. So yeah, that's how it works. Okay, and then if, you know, at some point I tend to be lazy, this is what I use. I use a jig, because reason being is you don't have to put any other like additional weight, because it has, you know, I know you guys know that it has already weight of its own. So I put in a uni knot for that. That's my favorite knot to tie. So there. So bobber stop, the bead, the slip bobber, and where you put your bait. Okay, that's what I said. It depends to you on how deep you want your bait to go down underwater. But yeah, that's how it is. So this is the lazy setup. that I'm talking about. Okay, because yeah, that's how it would look like there. Okay, but another setup that I usually do is this. I use just a regular hook, then so uni knot again. So I'm just gonna make it this quick. Then all right, so there you go. But what happens if you only leave it like this? The hook, this one, it doesn't go straight. So the fix to that is you put a split shot. Actually, for me, I prefer using 2 of these. Just put it in one, like a few centimeters away from the hook there, like that, and then like probably 6 inches above the first split shot. Okay, like that. So the purpose of me putting the split shot under the bobber is so that your hook will stay straight under the water. Okay, because if not, so it just drift away without the split shot at the end. All right, that's the main purpose of it. So yeah, there you go. This is how I rig up my bobber setup. Also, one tip that I would give you guys is that just don't attach it to a leader anymore. There's no need. Just go straight to the main line and then put these things right there. All right. So there you have it. That's how I usually rig my slip bobber setup. And I hope to see you soon out on open water. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and keep fishing. Oh yeah.